I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. 1 second. I just need to get some water really quickly. Ice coming. Let me get some music here though. I like it. ENVB, I like it. So retesting the top of the range again. So 320 resistance. 320. 320. Okay, let's see. Let's see. La musica. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Anybody still in ENVB? Anybody's? Renby announces $15 million equity commitment. Sure. Sure. Commitment. You sold it? Okay. Good morning, John. Good morning, A Guardian. Good morning, Yi. Good morning, Virus and Thrust. Ricardo, good morning. Hello, hello. Archer. Mullen, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Good morning. Azul, hello. Has a green. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Grun, good morning. Omega, good evening. Hello, Tesh. Are you ready for Liverpool? Good morning, Andrew. Yi. Good morning again. Lizzie, good morning. Shima, good morning. AK, do better, please. Wake up earlier. Good morning. Donald, good morning. Good morning, River. Good morning, King. Hello, hello. Lefty, good morning. Devin, good morning. Outlaw, are you in the chat? Let me know if you are. Tony, good morning. Let me know. Jeremiah, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, so same resistance here. Mullins actually, yeah. So CNSP is pushing for that $3 supply. So $3 for CNSP is a bit of a problem. Not bad though. Mullins actually up 64%. Damn. Today is the day that my goodness. Mullins up 64%, guys. Nobody better be short this thing overnight. Can you imagine? By the way, this ugliness you see on the right hand side, that's Bitcoin going to zero. Just lows and lows and lows and lows. Yeah. Nastiness. Even Mullen is doing better than Bitcoin. Can you imagine that? Unbelievable. Yeah. Dang. I mean, it had to run at some point, right? It had to bounce at some point. They have to enter the shorts. My goodness. This could never happen. The day that Mullen is better than Bitcoin? Can you believe that? Ah, dang. 75% for Mullen, guys. It's cooking. Like it is going. You know what's sad about this? You know what's really sad about this? Is if you've been holding Mullen for some time, you're still red. Like you're still done. Okay, you've gone from like minus 99% to minus 98%. That's the sad part about all of this. Exactly, virus. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Oh my days. Dang, Mullen's up 85% now, guys. 91%. Oh my days. Sheesh. 95%, 96, 97. Like Mullen is on fire. Why did we not go long Mullen? Why? We know this, right? Every time a stock does a split, it has to run at some point. So Mullen's like, it's my turn 100%. Sheesh. When can I enter Mullen? When it's at zero, AK. Sheesh. I cannot believe this. Yeah, exactly. That's the best time to buy Mullen at zero. Because then you know it's gonna go even below that. So anyways, the S&P is hitting new bottoms here going into the open, which is really, really sad. Whatever, right? ENVB, we talked about this one last night and before that, right? So this one is the top gainer this morning going into the open. So I'm sure we're going to be paying attention to this. As you can see clearly, though, that 320 is resistance for ENVB, right? So until it breaks above that level, your support is closer to like $2.90 to $3. Alrighty, for ENVB. SYTA, we've talked about this one as well. Okay, perfect. SYTA has a catalyst coming up at some point, right? So watch for $6.70 ish, 6.50 for a bit of consolidation if it wants to dip. So this one just seems like it's going sideways. Um, TRNR, this has been Azul's favorite name this morning, right? So it would be nice if that thing came back and retested the breakout at $1.45. Maybe it will at some point. Yeah, merger for SYTA, Canadian stock. So say thank you to the Canadians. Alrighty. And then all of these weird QVC stocks are cooking. Again, for some reason, again. CNSP has been doing well this morning. I thought this thing was going to be a scam, but it dipped and then bounced off the 200 EMA. So basically a retest, and then popped all the way back up, made brand new highs actually. If you look to the left hand side, you have all this resistance at $3.35, right? So 335, and now it's getting slapped back down. Um, so yeah, we'll see what it does after the market opens. And then there's a tiny, tiny, tiny little supply zone for Mullen at 480. So it looks like that's where it's failing for now. But this is Mullen is definitely not something I'm going to be trading. You know, when I do my taxes at the end of the year, the last name I want to see on there is Mullen. But Mullen is going to cook, isn't it? Dang. Can you imagine not wanting to trade Mullen and Mullen just keeps going? Like, look at it. Look at Mullen. Mullen's gonna be like, "Yep, I'm gonna be the one stock that goes up 1,000% this week. Are you gonna miss out, or are you gonna join me?" TRNR, your next resistance will be the downtrend that it's forming, so $1.60. Alrighty, and if you can break above that, you're looking for like $1.70, and then $1.75. So this one's a bit sus in the sense that like it's stalling every 5 to 10 cents for now. Alrighty, so you need to break that downtrend at $1.60 and then push for $1.70 basically. ENVB is still playing games here. Still playing some games. Good morning, Dan. Yesterday popped after hours. Should see a bounce today. Yeah, we were looking at that last night, and a few people posted the 10K in Discord last night. Hey yo, Kimbella, what's up? What's up? There goes Mullen again. Can you believe this, Dan? Like Mullen is about to be the top gainer for the day. Can you believe that? In what universe? Not quite yet, but can you? And here we go again. Unbelievable. Good morning, Shoy. Good morning. Hello, hello. Don't forget to hit the like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Hit the like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe as well if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbot and come join us in Discord. Good morning, Mark. My favorite stonk, I know, right? Here we are covering Mullen. Can't believe it. Yeah, so Mullen had news, and it actually did really well, right? If this stock wasn't called Mullen, I think we would have been excited about this. But yeah, they had that initial news pop and then dipped and then had the breakout and then said bye bye, boom skis. So yeah, there you go. But yeah, you can see that supply zone at $4.80 for Mullen though. Rubio, ayo, what's up? What's up? How are you, Rubio? Good to see you. Yeah, again, absolute rubbish. Absolute rubbish. I really hope Mullen. Is anybody long Mullen before I keep trashing it? Anybody play with Mullen this morning? Is anybody long? Again, like look at the 52-week range for Mullen. Like this is really sad. Like 52-week range, right? Forget about like anything else. Just the 52-week range. Like if you bought Mullen at the highs of the last split, your average is $47,000. You're never getting it back, ever. Like ever, ever, ever. Isn't that crazy? Like it's not like this is all-time highs for Mullen. Like this is 52-week range. Unbelievable. Oh yeah, look. Mullen faces legal issues as a class action lawsuit claims it made false statements from 2023 to 2025, impacting stock prices and investor losses. Yeah. What an absolute scam. Good morning, Lion. I just saw that. I just saw that, Will. Yeah, Andrew. Yeah, I just saw that. Craziness. Anyways, but when it comes to trades, you want to do your absolute best to to ignore the history on the stock and just play with the technicals, right? So if Mullen gives us an opportunity at some point today, I think it would be nah. Who are we kidding? I am not touching Mullen today. It's completely up to you. But we'll pay a bit of attention to it though, right? Especially if it's finding a base and breaking out again above 480. There might be some scalps there if you're interested. It looks like CNSP dipped all the way back down to retesting the 200 again, which is the exact same spot it retested earlier, Zool, right? 200 test, another 200 test, right? And then obviously, again, there's a supply zone right there. So let's see what that thing does into the open. There's only 5 minutes left before the market opens. So honestly, with a lot of these names, just be safe. If you're not confident, don't touch them. Alrighty, TRNR, another really good one this morning, right? I'm sure again this one will do something at the open. Hopefully, you have a bit of a base at $1.53, but I honestly don't mind this thing coming back to retest. This range, that breakout range on the left hand side, right? So I don't mind that. Alrighty, so but again, it is finding ways to to stay above $1.50, like right there, right? So they can continue to stay above that level. That'd be a good thing for anybody that's in it. SYTA, not really doing much yet. It needs to break out with some volume. ENVB at some point again needs to give you that dip if you're interested into this range, or it needs to break above $3.20 before it's ready for more. Alrighty. And those are for the most part like the stocks we're going to be paying attention to into the open, unless something else shows up. Alrighty. Unless something else shows up, those are going to be the names we pay attention to. No. I'm just looking to see if there's anything else that we haven't looked at yet. Let me see. No. Dang, these again, guys. I'm not gonna send you any DMs asking for anything, okay? I don't know. These scammers are getting crazy now. Again, I'm not gonna send you any DMs. For the most part, I will never like initiate a DM with you. Okay, like unless you need help with something, and then you have to know what you need help with, right? If some Blaze account just randomly messages you and they're like, "Hey, ayo, I need $10,000." Why the hell are you responding? Why are you responding? So please don't send any details. Don't buy anything in DMs, right? Read pictures. Uh, that's There goes Mullen again, guys. Mullen's like, hey guys, I am not done with you. I am coming back. I'm coming back. Oh my goodness. If you DM me for I don't need exactly, Marla. Exactly. Exactly. So, anyways, yeah, so don't respond to any DMs, please. People asking you for monies. If you should be if you DM me, like you should be DMing me, or maybe you were struggling with something and I'm DMing you about that specific subject, right? I'm not just saying, hey, I'm DMing you to check up on you. I'm not gonna check up on you. I will not check up on you unless you've been a member for a while, and then I will check up on you. Alrighty? Like if Dan doesn't show up on stream, okay, then that's a problem. If Virus doesn't show up on stream, okay, that's a problem. You see where I'm going with this? Okay. So don't just randomly see a DM. That's rude. No, I will not check up on you unless you've been a member for a while. That right? Like if you've been a member for a while, you know, then got it. Don't respond to any DMs from you. Jax, behave, please. Behave. Um, yeah, exactly. Exactly. There goes Mullen, and Mullen's just on fire. 127%, guys. Can you believe this? We're really looking at Mullen, and it's cooking. I cannot believe this. Anyways, like there's really nothing else moving. Well, actually, that's not true. It looks like we're finally trying to break above that ENVB 320 wall. Um, Obviously, we haven't closed above it yet, so I would be a bit cautious already. Look for entries closer to that $3, or again to the bottom closer to 290, right? But at some point though, it needs to close about 320 if it wants to go. So, and obviously it didn't do that, so be very careful. Yep, yep. I would be careful with Mullen, guys, already. Again, also like if you are short Mullen, right? If you're short Mullen and you held Mullen overnight, you also have to remember that Mullen's been crashing from $10, right? 10, $15. At some point it has to rebound, right? At some point it has to rebound. So you want to be very careful when you're doing that, right? You want to be very careful when you're holding a short position that's been destroyed from 10, $15 all the way to $2. If you're holding that overnight, you want to be very, very careful. At some point, it has to pop, even once. And we said this from the very beginning. Like Mullen has to pop at least once, right? So there goes that $3, Luna, right? So $3, and then there goes ENVB, pop, 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 pop. Right, so maybe this candle will finally close above. So again, like we mentioned earlier, the entry for ENVB has been closer to $3. So well, we that was your financial advice for the day on stream. I know, right, Rob? Rob was like, I need you to stop harassing people for monies. Anyways, there goes $3.40. If you're holding ENVB, type in yes in the chat. Also, again, if you're not a member yet, you're really missing out, right? ENVB was posted yesterday in Discord a few times as potential swing plays, right? Potential swing plays. So if you're not a member yet, like I say all the time, like once we get off the stream, you miss out on like the conversations we have. Oh my days, ENVB. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that thing is on fire. Oh my goodness. Damn. Woof. You just sold it? 390. Oh my days. That thing said, hello guys. My name is ENVB and I'm halted up. I'm halted up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Again, your entry was at the bottom, right? So if you bought this thing at any point at the bottom here, congratulations, because that thing just cooked, right? And we were talking about this all morning in Discord, right? And now it's halted up right below $4, highs of the day. Again, if you're not a member yet, or if you don't pay attention to the stocks that we talk about, going into the close, maybe you should, right? So these were conversations that were being had about ENVB, right? Grim was like, I'm adding ENVB at $1.40. I'm adding. The village is hungry. The village needs monies, right? Monies. The village needs monies, right? There's a whole bunch of these conversations, right? So, um, right? AJ was like, it could be a good candidate for the 4 a.m. if it closes stronger tonight. A good candidate, right? So, yeah. Again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. So let's see what happens when that thing gets unhalted. SYTA, meh, nothing, right? It's just been going sideways, so there's nothing to see there yet. TRNR, I think we kind of talked about this, right? At the very least, we wanted that thing to dip to retest that 145. It looks like maybe it wants to give us a bit more. I mean, can it give us the 200 EMA? Probably not. But again, these dips at the open should be expected, right? Expect a dip when a stock hasn't dipped yet going into the open. So in this case, TRNR, no dip skis yet. So it would be nice if that thing got to the 200 EMA. I don't know if it's going to get there though. The S&P is dipping more. More dip skis. Someone was asking for a recession this morning in Discord, so you can blame them. Anyways, I'm glad something else is moving other than Mullen, because I can't stand like watching Mullen all day today. I think that would be a bit ridiculous. Little bit. IPA looks interesting. Let me take a look. There goes Mullen getting slapped. See, I kind of feel like even if anybody in the chat was holding Mullen, they would never admit it. Too embarrassed to. Yeah. Too embarrassed to. It does look interesting. I don't know why it's taking so long to load IPA. There we go. Slow and steady, I guess. It does look interesting. Are you in this one, Nikolai? 320? Let's go. Well done. Let's go. Yeah, there it goes. Looks like, yeah, your next resistance is that 50 cents, Nikolai. 50 cents. I hope so too, John. I hope Nvidia saves us from all of this market redness. Hopefully. CNSP is still sitting at the 200 EMA, Azul, right? Dipping below, bouncing. But that 200 seems to be a magnet for that thing. IPA, yup, 48 pennies. Slowly getting towards that 50 cents. La, 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 la. You know what Mullen needs to open? Anyways, do you want to see where Bitcoin is at now, guys? Oof, damn. Oh my goodness. Oh my days, BTC. BTC went to 85K, guys. 85. 85. Well, I mean, if you were looking for, if you were waiting for dips to buy on Bitcoin, maybe these are your opportunities, right? So some really good dip skis. Okay, back to ENVB here. We should be on halting soon here. No way. No, not today, virus. Not today. No way. Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, there's no way. No way this thing was green again. Unbelievable. There we go. Unhalted, guys. ENVB. Sheesh. Oof. That thing said hello. Hello, hello. Yeah, again, hopefully you guys are paying yourself on the way up. A lot of you guys have entries closer to $3. So most of you guys, if you're still in this, your entry is probably close to $3. So make sure you're paying yourself on the way up. Alrighty. Dennis, what's your question for BBAI? What's your question? Uh, yeah, very good, Bradley. Congratulations. I like it. Yeah. It doesn't look like it's done yet, though, does it? Like the way it's dipping and coming back, it looks like once it wants to push again. So here goes 390, 397, and 399. 3, 2, 1. So it looks like that $4 is the level that it's kind of struggling with. Here we go again. 420, 430. Damn. Oh my goodness, guys. Oof. Oh my goodness. 440. 269%, guys. 269% on this one. Foo, 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 foo. And what? And thrust. Again, make sure you're paying yourself on the way up. Yeah, CTM is picking up a little bit of momentum, but meh. CTM. CTM. Do, 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 do. Okay. Sounds good. Dan? Redder than a slaughterhouse floor? Yep, yep, yep. Yep, yep. I need to go look at Tesla at some point though. Ooh, dang it, guys. We missed it. We missed it. We missed it. We missed it. Right? We were waiting for TRNR to come back and retest this 200 EMA. It did. It did. And then we were too busy looking at ENVB. Did anybody get into this? Yeah, it did. And it's halted up now. You didn't miss it, Grims. You were supposed to remind me. I missed it. I was too busy looking at the other one, Grims. Unbelievable. Yeah, no, it's halted up right at resistance too. So $1.70 resistance, right? Perfect. So did you get in as well, Tony? You did? Luna, you did as well? 138? Perfect, Grims. Yeah. Yeah, I was looking for as close to 130 as possible. Jeremiah, you got in as well. 140 AK. Well done, guys. Give me high fives. High fives. High fives. 139. Monies. Monies. You see how the stream is distracting? This is why we need to do more Discord streams, More Discord streams. Let's see. Uh, let's go, Grims, the winner. The winner, the winner. I'm going to use that screenshot, Grims. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Two. 1 second. The winner. Uh, 1 second. Today. Perfect. There we go. Unhalted. Okay. What is that yellow line? Which one? Like the one at the bottom? Oh, at the 200. That's the SD band, right? So that's just an extraction of like the of the VWAMPs. So like when I agreed with you, it's because same ish, same. Apple. Let me see what Tesla is doing here. mean, Tesla's green though. You know, Tesla is due for a bounce. I feel like we're gonna struggle. Like we are struggling now. You know, but like end of the week, we're gonna have a fire green day, just like we did last week, right? We were looking good all week, and then on Friday they cooked the markets. At the end of the week, oof, they're gonna cook the shorts, cook them, cook. Uh, let's go, Jason. Congratulations, monies. Yeah, ENVB is still looking okay. So let's see if they can find ways to. It looks like it is for now. Staying above the 9 EMA. So 260 Tesh. $2.60. I'm really happy though that we've kind of moved on from Mullen. The Mullins. Are you still playing with this one as well? It's just sitting there. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, I'm just waiting for the on halt on TRNR. TRNR. Love it. Yeah, hopefully at the very least, when this thing on halt, it pushes for that 180, 170. So then you can put a stop loss because it's halted at resistance. I don't like when they do that. Why is Canada scamming people? No, Canada gave the monies first. It gave monies and then it said, okay, I want it back. Inflation, recession, taxes, scammings. How is Mullen not halted? Because they don't want it to halt. They want it at zero. Zero. Okay. Yeah, no, Tesla doesn't look horrible. I think Tesla at 300 would be a potential, like as a long term play, a potential scale in area. I really think though, like again, closer to end of the week. Today is Wednesday. If we don't cook tonight, with there we go, guys. On halt at TRNR. There we go. That's kind of what you wanted though, right? Like on halt higher, so then people could get a chance to get out. So perfect Grims. Perfect. Monies. There goes $1.85. Send it. What happened, Andrew? What happened? What happened? What happened? $1.90. Perfect. There it goes. There it goes. 193. Yeah. No, that's a really good exit for you, Grim. 194, 198. And tap $2 and slap. You got stopped out. Dang. You made $600, Reen. Congratulations. Well done. Yeah, no, honestly, on a name like this, like wherever you're taking profits, I think you should be happy with it. No regrets at all. Well done, Grim. That was a very good scalpy. Very good scalpy. Now it's going. Yeah, that's okay though. You're 7 cents from the level you sold that, so that's fine. 119 to $2, Shima. Ooh, we land in Pakistan. Let's go. Or land in Dubai, Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. We've had some really good names this morning, actually. So ENVB, right? Nice pop. And it's all the way back down to retesting the breakout. Surprise! Not really. Right? They're coming back to retest that 320 breakout. You got slapped on there or you tried to catch it? Oh, like ENVB got slapped, yeah. So yeah, it's coming back to retest the breakout, right? Like it usually does. So surprise, surprise, Mullen is halted down, guys. See, all is right with the world again, guys. All is right with the world again. All is okay. You can take a deep breath. Now, if you were short Mullen, you can take a deep breath. TRNR still looking really good. If you're green for the morning, type in yes in the chat. If you're green for the morning, type in yes in the chat. 207. There goes 220 incoming. Yes. Yeah, most of you guys should be green on Mullen, right? Either TRNR should be green for the morning. Either TRNR or ENVB. One of the two, you should be green. right? Because these are two names that were talked about on stream and in Discord from last night to this morning, right? So you should be green. Or even if you formed into Mullen, we're not really judging, but you should be green. Ready? Do. And do. Futures, yes. Tesla, hell no. I know. In paper account, but green. Yeah, and that's all that that's okay. That's completely okay. You know? Oh. Um let me know if you just got an ad. Um hmm. Hmm. Yeah, let me know if you just got an ad. Uh uh hmm. Yeah. Got an ad? Yeah. Hmm. No ads? Ads are what? They're pretty. Virus, straight to jail. So $1.35 put a stop loss at 136 when it went to 145. Came back to your exact stop loss and then popped. Was your stop loss wrong? What time did you get in at $1.35? And was that yesterday? Let me know. I'll take a look. TRNR is still looking really good. ENVB guys is basically coming back for the retest, right? Which is again where you should be expecting anyway. So that level after the breakout, right? So Grim, did you get back in on this one? So that 320 we had a hard time breaking above. That's the level. Um, Paul, okay, I see. 50% premium. Interesting. I see. So Mullen's halted down. CNSP is doing absolutely nothing. What's Palantir doing today? Oh yeah, Palantir is up 2%. Let's go. Virus monies. Virus monies. It actually hit 91 and then dipped a bit. Dipped a little bit. I'm afraid of myself. I thought I like it. I like it. That's the whole, that's the whole goal, right? You don't give up. You keep working, right? Yeah. Yeah. I like it, Paul. Congratulations. Be very afraid. So yeah, a breakout and a perfect retest for ENVB and then a bit of a pop. Yeah, it looks like the markets are rebounding here, so that's good. Right? That is good. So SPY is now sitting at the highs of the day. Let's see if we can break these pre-market highs. What is that? 9760-ish? Yeah. Bitcoin is no, that's Tesla. I'm like, oh, Bitcoin is bouncing. Nope. Is it Tesla? Mullen's unhalted, guys. It dipped all the way back down to 360. So yeah. Okay, so $1.36 at 8.35. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah. Was your stop loss wrong? Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yeah, your stop loss was wrong. Yang. Yep. And again, this is one of the lessons that we talk about on one-on-ones, like right away, right? We talk about like not putting your stop loss exactly where you just put it. So yeah, your stop loss was wrong. You missed out on monies for no reason, right? That gold membership would have came in like handy right there where you put that stop loss. Yeah, I'm not even kidding. That gold membership would have paid you right there, Yang. So yeah, I did. Yeah, you had a really good entry. You just fumbled the stop loss. It never should have been at that spot. Oh, cheap gambles. Okay, the cheap gambles. It looks like we're really stalling at $2.20 here though for TRNR. So you want to be careful. You want to be very careful. That was a really good short, Paul, for SYTA. As a good short. QVC GB. Looks like IP is dipping all the way to the demand zone again. QVC DB. What's that? GB. What's that lady's name? Lori, isn't she like the? Anyways, um, yeah, it's coming up the bottom there. $8.80, and it's halted up. So these stocks are crazy. Maybe I missed a video on stop losses. On Onvo. Yeah. I think when we do, there is a video on stop losses in the channel, but it's not as specific as sometimes we talk about on one-on-ones. So there you go. GB of the QVC stocks. Okay, yeah, it looks like ENVB is still doing a really good job of holding that 320. So hopefully it continues to stay above. Anybody get back into ENVB, guys? Anybody on the retest? It looks like it really needs to get back above the kernel. So $3.50 is your next little resistance. So we keep hitting that level and failing. So that's a problem, right? Yeah, and it failed again. So 350 is your next resistance, and then obviously again the downside at 320. Uh, NBIS, sure. Yeah, SPY is looking a bit promising. NBIS. Christopher, okay. So you're in at $35. And you're just scared that it's gonna go lower. Oh, okay. No, I think you're fine. I think you're fine. I think if I was in the same position, I'd be okay with that position for now. What I would be paying attention to as we just hit new highs of the day for this thing, it looks good to me. I'm not sure if it's just pumping because the market's pumping or because it has a different reason to pump. It looks like it's connected to the market, but for now it looks good. As long as it stays above that low, that 35.76 low, I think you're okay. So if I was in the same position and I was concerned about it, right? Then I probably would be putting a stop loss right below 35.76 and I would stay green on that position. 10 a.m. Dan? Okay. Damn, Mullen is gonna go all the way from like green to red, guys. Yeah. Crazy. Yeah, ENVB is still struggling. I mean, it's even struggling to hold the 9 EMA, right? Like to get above it and close above it. It's not doing it. So that 320 is your next little watch there. And here it goes, right? Here it goes. Yep, there you go. So we failed to get above the 9. We failed to get above 350 and then dip skis. So wait for consolidation if you're not in that thing already. TRNR still failing at the same resistance up there. Still, good morning, Raven. Hello. You're welcome, Sammy. Okay. Perfect. CNSP. Alerts. CNSP. 240. Keep dipping, keep dipping, keep dipping. Keep dipping. 250s? You did? Okay. 250s. Okay. Do. My stuff is really slow. Really, really slow. Damn, look at ENVB, guys. As soon as it broke below that 320, oof, that is nasty. Right? So when we break below support, don't sit there and say, but Blaze is okay, right? It has to go back up, right? It doesn't really have to go back up. But again, when we break below that support, you want to be very, very careful. That's a lot of selling pressure that came in on that breakdown. Yeah, TRNR, the volume just came all the way to this one by Friday virus. By Friday, so TRNR is halted up. Halted up. So everybody saw the other one die, and then they're like, nope, we come to this one. We come to this one. Friday virus, Friday. Mm. 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 Okay. Zero. Agree. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yeah, SPY just made brand new highs of the day on that last candle. We're actually trying to push above the highs. We're sitting at the exact same high that we made yesterday, actually. So this should be a really good test. Also, with that news that Dad mentioned, doesn't look like it's causing a crazy reaction, but yeah, we're sitting at the exact same high we made yesterday, so just be aware. If we decide to hit that level and dip skis, Tesla is like, you know what, guys, I'm just gonna go back down to lows of the day. Trash. You're getting in at 280. Okay. Sounds good. Just make sure you have a stop loss there. At this point, you honestly want that thing to stay above 260. Ready? $2.60. Damn, that thing has been halted for a long time. Yeah. QVC. Long halt. There goes the on halt. $11. 11.30. Yeah, the spread on this thing is so scary that if you pick the wrong direction, oof, ends at. There you go, Archer. There goes 11.70, 11.85, 11.90. Day high of the day was $12. So it just broke above it. There goes $12. QVC, QVCGB. Did you FOMO into this one, Yi? And it's halted up at $12.08. Yup. Yup. Let's go. I like when people like chat in stock general, because then people that are not in the voice can see, or people that are busy, Paul. So like if you post your chart, in stock general, that would yeah, fantastic. Like what do you mean? Uh, yeah, it's trying to consolidate there for you, Wings. So hopefully you get a pop above $3. Hopefully you get a pop above $3. Hmm. Okay. Pizza. Yeah. Yi. Oh yeah. No. It's curling, Grims. Curling. Trying to. Yeah. The S&P is hitting new highs of the day here, so looking really good. At least we're having a green day. Okay. Let me take a look at slowly. Yeah. Super slow. I wanted to look at something else, and then virus distracted me. PITA, I think. You sold this thing at 59 though, right? AK? Yeah, that's a good sell. That's a good sell. Unless it comes back or breaks 60 cents, that was a really good sell. Sheesh, Sista is becoming a criminal, Grim. Criminal. As in of Mullen? I mean, I wish I did at $2 and it ran to almost $6 this morning. I would be happy. I would be very happy. But same cloth. You know what they say, right? Bird of the same feathers. Ah, yeah. ATCH is popping there. Unhalted for this one, guys, and it made brand new highs and then dipping. TRNR. So congratulations if you're still in this. Congratulations. ATCH Bill. ATCH. ENVB is still getting slapped. My goodness. Yep. Testing that 260. $2.60 again. The 9 EMA is a really good indicator, isn't it? Right. So the fact that it stayed below the 9 EMA the entire time, the blue line, is not exactly an amazing thing, is it? So your next support is 260. Right. So like I said earlier, if it can find a way to stay above 260, then okay. But if it doesn't, then you have more problems. More problems. So if you're holding this thing, you better start praying that even if they go below 260, they better close the candle above that level. 450. So it's hard pressure. Yeah. So again, $2.60 is your next support, right? That little pink line at the bottom there, and it looks like it's trying to bounce. Trying to bounce. 267. Let's see. Let's see. Are you gonna bounce? That's a lot of selling pressure actually on these candles. It's almost like they decided, Paul, like, okay, you know what? It's time to dump it all at the same time. Because you wouldn't think a stock with that much momentum would crash like that. But again, it is holding that support for now. 269 and right back down. There's a lot of selling pressure, like a lot. Interesting. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. So if you are in a position, make sure you just watch that 260 level, and if it can stay above that, then okay, then you have a chance. It does look like it wants to really bounce up this 260 though. It's trying. Ooh wee. I'm just watching Mullen to see if we go from like up 100 and something percent to red, guys. Like we're already at only 40% for the day, 39%. Like how? Well, I mean, it's Mullen. Anyways, ENVB still trying to hold that 260 back to 270. To leave after 75, but wasn't a huge position. Wings good. Yeah, at that point you're only risking 5 cents, right? So it's not horrible. Not horrible. And if you came back closer to 216, then you'd make that 5 cents back anyways, right? So here we are, 72. I wish I did, Tony. Wish I did. 275. So that bottom section is holding up really nicely there. Not sure how much of a pop you're gonna get, but again, at least for now, you're getting a relief bounce of the bottom. Did anybody get in closer to 260? Troy, good morning. Did you see Mullen? You missed Mullen today, Troy. You missed it. That thing was on fire. On fire. 120%. And then you remember that it was Mullen. Now it's holding up the 200 EMA, so that's interesting. It looks like PITA popped above 60 cents, but it's still stuck at that 60 AK. Stuck. End of March, April. Okay. What's it? You are you in at $2.50 KULR? Is that your entry? There goes PITA. It's almost like it's moving the exact same as the S&P. You're in again? Okay. Yeah, it's sitting at the highs of the day, so you should be green. TRNR, Dipskis. And then ENVB is still holding that 260, but it needs to get back above the 9 EMA as well. It looks like it's going to. There goes 277. You did Doche? You got in at 260? Okay. You're green in your position now, right? Up a few cents. I'll take a look in a second. Yeah, she wants it to cook, to go up. There goes 280, Doche. 281, 282, 283. So can it close above the 9 for you? Hmm. Interesting. Okay. Please do. $2.85, 286. You moved your stop loss up to 275. Well done. Congratulations. Congratulations. 1 second. Details. There goes 298. Ooh, your stop loss never hits. Right? So the closer you get to 305, though, you're going to have resistance. Alrighty, Doche? So be careful. 305. 305 to 310. You're going to have some resistance there. Oof, look at that pop, guys. Was Doja the only one that got in? Took the gamble? Again, for sure, that was a gamble, right? That was a gamble at 260, but it paid off, right? So support and pop. There you go. Stop loss it at 301. Give me a high five. That was a good scalp. Very good scalp. Again, 305 to 310 resistance, right? High five. Well done. Congratulations. That's a very good gamble. No, you just went in too soon. No, yeah, you just went in too soon, right? You got in at 380ish, right? So 380, 380, 380, 380. Yeah, you just went in too soon, right? Um, and it looked like it was consolidating at 380, but that support was really at 260, right? So and also the demand zone was at 260, right? The green zone. So you could have used the demand zone, the algo, and said, oh, you know what? Like I'm buying this thing right here, right? It doesn't look like it's holding yet, right? But if you're going to take the gamble, do the gamble in the green zone, right? In a demand zone. So did virus cook it for you? Dang, Spy looks nice. Spy's almost back to 600, guys. Well, 599 almost. So yeah. Yeah. If you're gonna do a gamble wings, do the gamble in the demand zone. I'm not brave enough to keep these pennies into the open, I guess, Lowell. That's okay. That's okay. Most of the time, they end up going to the abyss anyway, so no regrets. No. Uh, no, I did not, virus. No. So again, perfect exit, right? Anytime you're in a position and it's going back up, I promise you what it's doing is it's going back to mean reversion, right? Mean reversion basically meaning like the VWAPs, right? Especially when you have the VWAP and the 200 sitting in the same spot, that level is going to be tough. Alrighty. Now, when you combine this area with the fact that it had support at this level in the morning, right there, you now have like major resistance at 305, 310, right? So that was a good level for you to exit at Doge. So you should be happy you executed that perfectly, right? That was a perfect scalpy, a perfect scalpy. Let's see. Uh, mm, 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 mm. La, 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 la. I want to see what this looks like actually. Do, 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 do. Mm, mm, mm. Good morning, Diane. With on Mullen, it was going to keep running up and sold at 550. Yeah. Yeah. That was yeah, that's a difficult one. Yeah, especially since it popped at the open as well, right? So yeah, that's tough. Doche. As soon as you sold that thing, poof. uh, ha ha ha. Good morning, Sashi. Follow these steps to view the changes. Account settings. Okay. The owner of Bitcoin. That's Sashi. Hello, Sashi. Hello, hello. Uh, let- 25th. Um, Okay. Perfect. $1.99. You yeah. Hit your stop loss. Yeah, that was never a buy, AK. Right? It looks the same as ENVB, doesn't it? Like it's random, like it's falling like a knife, right? And $1.99 is, yeah, like it's falling like a knife. It's not really consolidating. It's below the 9 EMA, right? So you want to be careful when it's dropping that aggressively. I don't know what you were thinking either. I don't know. It's not like it was in a green zone, demand zone, right? Or testing the view up or 200 EMA. But yeah, like maybe this level, you could have looked at this and said like maybe at this level, like 180, like right there, just because that was the high there, and then it's potentially retesting it maybe, right? Yeah, but that's okay. You live and you learn, right? Constantly learning. So constantly learning. Uh, okay. I'm silly sometimes. That's okay. You live and you learn, right? Pizza is popping though. Pizza is popping. So is the S&P. Woof, beautiful. We're gonna have a 1% green day today, huh? 1% green day. Do, 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 do. Virus, I added to my 2025's 2026. What's next year? 2026. Stupid AMD virus. So AMD better uh, uh, there we go. Do, do, do. uh, I'm gonna reply to you in the lab. Oh Lord, here goes virus. Mullen's actually surprisingly holding about the 200 EMAs in it. And it looks like ENVB came back to retest that demand zone again, and it's trying to bounce. Super weak, but it's trying to bounce. TRNR, like that thing just has nothing. Now it's testing the VWAP AK, right? But again, that's a lot of selling pressure. And we've said this so many times. Life below the 9 EMA is not fun. When your stock is below the 9, unless it's consolidating, you want to be very careful. You think Holo has more big pumps ahead soon? Thank you. Holo. Damn, Grim. That thing is just laying there. What is it waiting for? Holo ran last week a little bit with MLGO, right? So let me see what the daily looks like. It looks like it's sitting at, like all-time lows, basically. Yeah, it is. So, I mean, Holo is hopeful, right, that it runs at some point as long as we stay above $1. Right, Caleb? So again, I don't think anybody can predict the future and say Holo is going to run. It's going to cook at some point. But at the very least, for now, they seem to be supporting $1, right? So as long as it stays above $1, there's a chance. Alrighty. So if you're willing to risk that, then okay. Yeah. Here we go. Virus. Let's go, Virus. Yeah. So AMD, AMD better do good things, Better do good things. Again, when we got into that position, the intention was to enter that position when we dipped closer to 100 anyways, right? So yeah, for now, especially since it's holding the base anyways. True. Someone asked a question earlier and I completely forgot to look. There's nothing to be ashamed about, honestly. Nothing to be. If Mullen didn't have that symbol on it, we would have looked at it off the 200, but Yeah. Nothing to be ashamed about as long as you make money. See, now I would roast you though if you didn't make money, but you made money, so there's nothing to be ashamed about. Details. Uh, do, 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 do. Okay. Yeah. I wonder if they're actually going to let that thing get back above 600 virus. PTA is getting slapped, so. CGC. Okay. CCG. Hey, you, Lon. Good morning. Interchangeable. Uh, I don't think Hola's not that bad. Hola's not as bad as Mullen. Hola's not as bad as Mullen. Mullen's a special case. Special case 40. Okay. A special case. Interesting. Okay. Correct me if I'm wrong, but are you doing one-on-ones? Are you doing one-on-ones? I don't understand, Lon. I don't understand the question. Are you doing one-on-ones? I don't understand. Please clarify. 70% virus? Yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. Tesla puts. CNSP, Grim. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, that's a nice 4-hour chart as well, Grim. It's a nice 4-hour chart. Here you go. You got it now $1.30, Christopher? Dang, that was way too high. Yeah, like I said, the only entry is closer to like from $1.10-ish to $1. So you can easily put a stop loss like right there, for RSLS. $1.30 is way too high up there. Way too high. Yeah. See, AK, if you gambled off the view app, at least you'd be green in that position, right? Or at the very least, like break even, right? So when you're gonna take those gambles, you're better off taking those gambles like in demand zones of the VWAP, of the 200 EA, stuff like that. Especially when it's dropping like a tomato, you know. Otherwise, it doesn't have a reason to not keep dropping. 178. Oh yeah, exactly. 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 Yeah, you made monies this time? Okay, good. Good. Yeah. Yeah, I really wonder what Nvidia is going to do today. The markets can really make you gamble, Like they really make you gamble. Now the markets are rebounding. If Nvidia doesn't do well for earnings, like can you imagine the violence? Right? But if Nvidia cooks earnings, which is what they're going to do, do we explode up? We shall see. Holo. Do. I wonder if Holo's gonna, ever cook like it did last time. Z Holo. Interesting. And that. Am I in Nvidia? No, not directly. There goes a bit of a pop diagram. 270 for CNSP. Let me pull up Nvidia. NVDA. What was the bottom for Nvidia yesterday? 124. Okay. That was a pretty nice dip, Pretty nice dip skis. What do you guys think Nvidia does for earnings? Slap it or pump it? We go up or we go down? Yeah, that was a good shout, Omega. To the moon, you think we pump? Too much hate? Do you think down? See, if Nvidia was having a red day today like it was yesterday, I would say like, okay, we go up. But the fact that the markets are rebounding a bit today, I don't know what we do. I'm thinking like we go up. There's no universe in which like Nvidia misses earnings, right? But we know that's not the end of the story. It really doesn't matter. It's not about a company beating earnings. There's so much more. But again, they're going to beat earnings, right? The question is, okay, and then what? And then what? Right? So earnings forever will forever be a gamble. Doesn't matter what you're doing, up and then slap, probably. Yeah, earnings will always be a gamble. So even if we know for sure they're gonna beat earnings, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it does not matter. La, la, la. No, I think I missed your question, Lon. What was your question? You were asking for one-on-ones? I wasn't sure what that meant though. Yeah. Yep. Keep going, CNSP. Keep going. Looks like ENVB is still holding that 260 support. Anyways, moving away from Nvidia, let me pull up CCG. CCG does look really nice, doesn't it? Does look very, very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, I see what you're asking. Yes. Yes, Lon. Yeah, you can do you can do that. Yeah, send me a DM in Discord. See, that's the only way you DM, right? Because we both know we're about to DM each other. Anyways, yeah, send me a DM in Discord. CGC Omega, you in this one? $1.32 supply. 116. Okay, nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, that thing is holding the 9 EMA like like the best friends, Omega, like the best friends, just holding on. Hold on. Yeah, Lon, let me know when you send me a DM and then I'll take a look. Ready? 132. Then PITA really got slapped. This is what happens when you mention virus in a stock together, AK. It's only a matter of time before that stock gets entered. So only a matter of time. Yeah, the spread on CNSP Grim is a is a bit interesting, isn't it? Yeah, a bit interesting. Grims, that's a sussy spread. Unbelievable. Yeah. True, 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 true. 57. Okay, yeah, no, that's really good. If even the shitty spread is above the entry, so that's good. The average, so that is perfect. Yeah, so that supplies on a 132 omega resistance. Resistance. True, 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 true. Mm. True, 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 true. At 5 tomorrow, sounds good. Yup. You know what they say? The early bird gets the what worm? Something like that. Uh, alligators. I don't wrestle with an alligator. That's virus. You know when he's boxing. I don't wrestle with an alligator. Last night I hit the light and I was in bed before yeah. Is that how it goes? Anyways. Do you actually have that, Grim? Yeah, Mullen is on that list, isn't it? And what's the other one from yesterday or the day before on that list? AMC on that list. Yeah. Number one. Oh, yep. Number one. Uh, let's see. Hmm. Interesting. Holo, the China trash that ends. Yep. 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 I'm sure there will be another. There will be time where like we go back to GME. There will be the day will come. Day will come. AMC. PDSB. Yeah, 2031. Where's Azul? Azul, are you seeing this? Unbelievable, right? Grim has no faith in your favorite stonk. Zero. CCG is going back up for you, Omega. So 132 with the fashion. Yeah. Yup. 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 Whatever happened to the other one? What was it called? YCB. Whatever happened to this one, Grim? Oh, 43 cents. Dang, it dipped all the way to 35. Sheesh, nasties. Nasties. Let me I want to see if there's anything new on this list. Yeah. Nothing new. SGD had news this morning, but meh, nothing. What about the recent split list? Anything on there? Any new splits we should be paying attention to? What's the point of doing like a 1-for-5 split, you know? Anyways, 26. So today, APTO, KPTI. Yeah, Mullen did that split, right? So meh, there's really nothing on here that's like amazing, you know? But then again, is there ever anything on this list that's amazing? Meh, nothing amazing. Yeah, AK it is. Yeah. Oh wow, speaking of Holo, guys. Speaking of Holo. Oh my days. CCG is popping there, but Holo just had some news. Or just a pop. Oh my goodness, Holo. Who was asking for Holo earlier today? Damn. Holo's like, you guys are trashing me? You think so? Yeah. Yeah, Holo dropped PR, guys. They're like, okay, we're watching you guys. Let me drop some PR. Holo achieves breakthrough in optimizing scaling methods for open source configurations in using DeepSeek. What does that mean? Sounds like a headline. Sounds like they're trying to scam it up. Damn, these dudes are dropping PR like all the time, and the damn thing still won't go more than 10 cents. They're really trying to protect that $1 is what they're doing. So, I mean, as long as it stays above $1, you know, wrote it back in permanent ink. uh, ENVB has done a really good job, Mr. Fixit, holding above this bottom. So that 260 AK, that was your entry. So 260 and trying to push back for $3. So not bad at all. Not bad at all. Crazy. uh, anyways. Anyways. Discord stream sucks. Unbelievable. What was this? that was Dan, because you were talking about Discord streams. Dan doesn't like Discord streams. We only do like once a week, Dan. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Mm. Jealous of our streams. Dan, you need to come into the Discord stream this Friday. It's a lot of fun, Dan. Come, 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 come. It's a lot of fun. The better quality. See, Troy's been there. Virus was there last Friday, and he had fun. Virus knows it too. He had fun. Let's see. Transfer. To Canadian. Okay. Yes, yes. That's okay, virus. That's okay. Holo is still stuck at $1.25. So if you're in Holo, it needs to break above that. Man, it depends. It depends. It depends. You definitely don't want to be going all in, but it also depends on the size of your account, right? Yeah, but you for sure shouldn't be going all in. If you have, let's say you have $500, if you have $20,000, right? Again, definitely don't go all in on a trade, right? Definitely don't go all in on a trade. So, um, right, even half of that shouldn't be in a trade, right? Unless you know what you're doing, right? But then, but then if you have $1,000, right, that becomes a bit more complicated, right? Um, because again, so you don't want to like again, so like if you have $1,000 in your account, right? Or if you have $1,000 available to trade with, if this is in the margin accounts, you can like if let's say I have $26,000 or $30,000 or more, right? But my available amount to trade with in a margin account is $1,000. Like that's all that's available to me. Um, and then okay, I don't mind going all in with $1,000 with the intention that I have a stop loss in on that position, right? Like the most I'm going to be losing is again the usual, right? You have the 10% stop loss, the 8% stop loss, the 5% stop loss, right? Or you just know that okay, if I'm buying the stock at this price, it has support at this price, I'm going to put a stop loss right there, right? So that's how I would do it. Alrighty. But then if you have a margin account, if you have a cash account, you don't want to go all in because then you're basically trying to pick one stock and win with that one stock, right? Which is not exactly what you should be doing. So then in that case, you want to split it up if you have a cash account, right? So you have multiple trades. When you have a smaller account, your goal is not to pick one trade and say, "Oh, I was amazing today. I picked the best stock in the market," because you're not going to be able to do that, right? When you have a smaller account, your goal is to make as many trades as possible, right? You want to trade more, so you're practicing more with smaller amounts, so less emotions behind that trade, right? So there's so many ways to look at this. So many ways to look at it. There goes Holo, guys. Holo lost all its gains at $1.25. Garbage. Garbage. Absolute garbage. Okay, let's see. Doo-doo-doo. Hmm. Mm, 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 mm. Mhm. Does that answer your questions, Matt? Your question, Matt? Hopefully it does. Hopefully it does. uh, you're done for the day. Let's go. Good daily goal, Troy. Very good. Are you watching Mullen now, Jacob? Uh, na, 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 copy. Is there a reason? uh, there you go. ENVB. ENVB just keeps blowing kisses at $3. Yeah, it wants to push above it, doesn't it? Yeah. Did you get into this one, Marla? Did you get in? So here comes that 305 to 310 again. We talked about earlier, right? Let's see if it can break above it. That'd be nice. You did? Okay. What did you get in at? 307? Oh my goodness. Okay, well, you're almost back to break even then. Oh my goodness. Wait, did yeah. The only way I think, yeah, when you're in timeout, the only way you can chat is through super chats. Huh. Maybe we should time out the entire chat, you know? Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. So there goes 310 for you. Trying to. That's the only way to chat. Ah, unbelievable. Oh yeah, we have the it just yeah. Oh yeah, we have the wheel goal up there. Okay. The wheel goal. There you go. You're back. You're back, AK. No virus, no. I am not sure. uh, I know, Dan. Anyways. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Uh la. Okay. There goes another fail. $3.10. It's like, it's like a magnet resistance level. But again, that honestly shouldn't be a big surprise. That's resistance, right? Unbelievable. You guys believe this rubbish? You guys see this rubbish? Ah. Dan, thank you for the super chats. I mean, the two truths, one lie, one no. How does it go again? One lie, one truth. There's only don't laugh, Andrew. There's only one truth. There's one truth and one lie. And I ate chalk a long time ago, when your baby is growing up. Let's go, Virus. Thank you for the super sticker. What are my thoughts on funded accounts? I think they're good, Shoy. Like futures funded accounts. They are good. They are good. Why? Are you interested in a funded account? Troy, unbelievable. See, Andrew, see? You guys ate glue. I ate chalk, How to English, I know. How to pigeon. That glue was good? No, it was not. It wasn't good for your health. That's why you have big feet, Dan. Unbelievable. Or charity? Well, I mean, unbelievable. Jacob, you're not helping. Not helping. I'm new to trade. Something about getting one of them instead of using a cash account. Oh, like a stock market funded account. I mean, you can test it out, right? Test it out. Um, Test it out and see how you like it. You might be extremely good at it. Um, when it comes to the stock market side, like future side, I think it's nice to use funded accounts. When it comes to stocks, though, I think it's nice to use your own monies. But I would say test it out and then go from there. Yeah. I don't know if they do virus. Yeah, I don't know if they do. I know they have stock funded accounts because I know Omega was doing that. Rebound potential. Are you in the stock, Sashi or NVO? Let me know. So there goes a fail. Marla, I hope you sold this thing, right? Because it's all the way back down to the abyss, basically. But again, that resistance was right there, right? This is the exact same thing that happened last time, and then we crashed, right? History doesn't repeat, but it what? It rhymes. Now we're all the way back to the bottom again, right? So hopefully you got rid of that rubbish. Yeah. So actually, let me know where your position is. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. No, 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 no. You're buying more? Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Yeah. Just make sure it stays above the support, right? Make sure it stays above the bottom. Please and thank you. 260 support. The S&P looks like we're just going to go back and forth today, and then Nvidia reports earnings, and then we really pick a direction after that. What am I looking at, Paul? 150 TRNR. $1.50. You're averaging down in our 160. Okay, let's take a look. ONVO. You're in at $1.60. You didn't have a stop loss, did you? Lord have mercy. I mean, at this point, you held it all the way to $1. Let me see what the daily looks like here. Yeah, there's nothing more to this than honestly, if I was in that same position, I would just put a stop loss at 99 cents and pray. Yeah, uh, was spamming it this early morning. Yeah, exactly. So, yep. Again, if you were in Discord, Sashi, you would have benefited from Paul spamming that. So this is nasty, right? Also, the fact that you got in at $1.60 without a stop loss, you shouldn't do that. You don't want to be doing that at all. You just lost 60% for no reason, or less than that now that it's rebounded. But yeah, if I was in this position, I would just put a stop loss at 99 cents and then put your hands together and pray. Pray, pray, pray. Apex approvals are fine. And it was approved in under an hour, Apex. Oh wow, that's been happening ever since. Oh wow, dang Dan. Oh, that's fire. Okay, dang. Praying is not a strategy. It is when you're basically in the abyss. It is. You can pray with a stop loss, right? So 50-50. Half praying, and there goes ENVB, right? So ENVB is bouncing off that same demand zone again, right? So this damn thing is just doing the same thing over. Did you add more to your position, Marla? If you did, what's your average now? Is it below $3? Ooh, 297. Did you get in on this, Luna? That's a nice pop of the support. You have not followed the general rules. Exactly, Alan. Exactly. Just like Alan. Just like when I told you, when I gave you financial advice for the second time, Alan, right? Alan and I'm going to tell the stream this story, okay? So a few months ago, right? A few months ago, right? Alan and I were having a one-on-one, and Alan wasn't having the best time, right? So then I'm like, okay, what's one stock that we can give Alan that's gonna, that we think is gonna do well, right? I'm like, hey, Alan, get some, I gave Alan financial advice. I'm like, hey, Alan, buy some Luna, right? LUNR. It was at $10, right? And then it popped, and then it went to $25, right? And then I'm like, okay, Alan, did you make monies? Alan's like, oh no, I forgot, right? Alan and I had another one-on-one yesterday, right? And Rob and Luna was at 14 something, right? 14 something, $15. I'm like, and I told Alan, I'm like, Alan, I'm gonna give you financial advice for the second time in your life, and that's it. Only to you. I'm gonna give you financial advice, okay? We're at $15, 14 something. I think it's gonna bounce. And then Alan tells me, "Oh, I got busy. I had to go do something else." Alan, unacceptable. Now we're at $17. $17. And now the damn thing is gonna go to $20 and you're gonna tell me. So I gave you financial advice. I don't always give financial advice. But oh yeah, no, don't worry. You better hope this thing crashes. You better hope, because you're not gonna hear the end of it. Anyways, you know who else was on that call with us? And then so Rob shows up on the call, right? Because we needed some help with something. Rob was like, "Oh, okay, I'm gonna buy it right now." And then he got in. You know who didn't buy it? Alan. Yeah, I feel better now that I got it off my chest. Anyways, Husa. That thing went back to 303. Did you get in on this, Luna? It's a great lifestyle choice, not a trading strategy. Exactly, Will. Exactly. He hit the mute button. uh, I'm kidding, Alan. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Not really kidding. Anyways, um, yeah. Yep. So Dan sent a super chat, guys. Let's do the wheel. Okay. Let's do the wheel. Is anybody in the chat that's not on this wheel? Anybody that we want to add on the wheel, Dan? Anybody? Okay, I'll put it up so I don't forget. I know you asked about it earlier. There goes Luna, guys. Luna is about to make new highs of the day, just like the S&P. We're headed for 600 now. Yep. Brian? Oh, yeah. SPY. Give us 2% today. And then, yeah, let me take a look at your question first, though, because I know that's the second time you're asking. KULR. You're in at $1.30, right? So you're nice and green in that position. Let me just look at the daily quickly here. Oh, yeah, that's a sweet entry, actually. That's very good. Stop loss at 150. Like, you're okay with the stop loss at 150? Yeah. And then there's nothing else for me to say. That's a very good entry. That's a perfect entry. So yeah. And then you have a stop loss, right? So you're fine. So you're okay. Yeah, Mike, you're on here. You're right there. Mike is on there. What's the wheel for? The wheel is to give away a legend membership for a month. Uh, mm, 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 mm. Me. I never win anything. La 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 la. Is Lizzie's in the chat? I will buy a Shiva. Yeah. La 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 la. Okay, let's spin the wheel. Nvidia, you did? Okay. Oh 07. Okay. Yesterday, 8:15. Jacob? Okay. Hopefully are you holding? Are you planning on holding it into earnings? Uh do, 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 do. Mm, mm, mm. Do, 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 do. You're not holding? Okay. So at least today, then that's a really good run to sell it. Yeah, perfect, Jacob. Yeah, rally into that's a really good gamble. Nvidia was always gonna find a way to, I feel like, to run into earnings, you know. Okay. Nick, you remember already. SP, so are you. So are you. Peep. I'm gonna add Peep to the list then. Feel like this is Dan's other account. I think Brian won already, right? So I'm gonna take Brian off, I think, right? Anybody else we want to take off this list? Don't think so. We good? Good to roll? Dan's gonna say, spin it already, spin it already. Okay, I'm gonna spin. Again, you have to be in the chat to win a membership. So spin. Wizard's gonna win. Wizard's always here, but today he's not here. Let me know. To HWH. uh, do. No? Wizard not here? When you're having a goat spin? I know, right? Yeah. When Holo can break above 125, maybe Dennis. No, nothing, not here. Okay, I'm gonna add Dennis on the list too. Good to go. So Wizard isn't in the chat. I think that's the second time he's won actually, and hasn't been in the chat. Okay, spin. When's Lint? Oh my goodness. It's rigged. It's rigged, guys. It's rigged. Oh my goodness. It's rigged. Dennis? Dennis doesn't even know what he won. How much he paid you? I know, right? Damn, Dennis. Oh my goodness. Wow. Dennis. No, Dennis is always in the chat too. So that's why I added him on the list. Dennis, you want a legend membership to join us in Discord. Do you want it or no? Yes or no? I'm gonna remove Dennis from the list though. Damn, Spy just wants to hit 600 already. Keep going, Spy. Keep going. Keep going. I can take it. Let's go. You just got on? Yeah. No, your name was on the list. Bus, you just didn't win. So yeah, Dennis, send me an email, hotratesx@gmail, and I will send you an invite to join us in Discord. Alrighty? So send me an email, hotratesx@gmail, and I'll send you a Discord invite. Cool. So thanks again, Dan. Thanks to Dan. Thanks to Dan Virus and AK. Okay, for the super chats. So the super chats for Legend membership giveaways, basically. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Marla, did you sell this thing? No, you didn't. Did you? Right? It went to the same resistance again, and you still didn't sell it. I will find you and change your password. Na, 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 na. Is anybody taking Nvidia YOLOs though, like into earnings? Your 150 stop loss is still good for this one. KULR, right? Can you write your email? No, it's at the top of the screen there. It's at the top of your YouTube stream. At the top, this way, that way, up there. Hottradesx@gmail. It's also in the description. You found it? Perfect. No, 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 no. What was I going to look at? ATCH. Right into curl, maybe? Off the 200 EMA. Yeah. The fact that we have so many bounces of the 200 EMA, like honestly, when a stock is cooking, just set an alert for the 200. Like whenever it hits the 200 again, then come back and look, because that's a nice little 50-cent pop, you know. I'll add you guys the next time we do the. So again, it's only for people that are always on stream, right? Watching the stream, and you have to be on here to win the giveaway. So yeah. So next time. Dan says everybody gets a free membership. You get a membership. You get a membership. You get a membership. Let's go, Dan. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you very much, Dan. Thank you. Dennis must be really lucky, guys. Like Dennis is winning two different. Dennis is really lucky. Wow, Dennis. Messi, I will the next time we do it if Messi's in the chat. Look at that. Dennis is winning twice in one day. Is it too late? Yesterday would have been the entry, Larry. TEM. That would have been it. Yesterday was the day to buy dipskis. When we're pushing to the highs of the day like this, it's a bit difficult. Dennis, go buy a lottery ticket. Yeah. You know what? You know my saying: when you're blessed, bless others. Absolutely, Dan. Absolutely, I agree. Absolutely. SPY looks nice. Highs of the day. Nvidia is squeezing. Yeah. Oh, that's what I wanted to pull up. Nvidia. Yup. It's a nice pop. Very nice pop. If only you know who would squeeze like this too. You know who. I'm not gonna name the name. AMD. Anyways, if only. If only. Mullen? No. It's moving. Calm down. No, Andrew. Mullen, not Mullen. AMD. Anyways. No, I don't want to look at it. I don't want to look. Tell me when it gets back above 100, 110, or it dips to 90, so we can add a bit more and then be done with it. Oprah. Dan Oprah? Dan Oprah. Oprah. Omega, are you still holding CG or no? Is ENVB a buy? Romeo, I mean, it's been a buy of $2.60 and then popped and then a sell. So you sent me an email already. I will go take a look ski. Uh, 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 yeah. 1 second. Copy. Okay, perfect. Dennis, yeah, I see your email. Okay, I'm gonna send you an invite, okay? And then let me know when you click on that invite. Okay, perfect. There you go, Dennis. You should have an email. Uh, Sashi, I see it. Why you send me an email, Sashi? Uh, you just have to click on join on YouTube. Yeah, so if you want to join us in Discord, just click on the link from Nightbot already. Click on this link and then make sure you sign up for the right level, the legend or the gold level, and then come join us. No, 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 no. Perfect. Crypto advice as well. It does, yeah, yeah. It does. We talk a lot about crypto. There's an entire crypto section with a whole bunch of cryptos in their tank. So again, when you join us in Discord, make sure you sign up for the legend level, or if you need some one-on-one time, sign up for the gold level. Ready? Just make sure. So click this link from Nightbot and sign up there. Your name. So Dip. Okay, let me take a look. Okay, you're good to go. I don't know if you need to refresh your Discord, but you're good to go. Good to go. So welcome to Discord. So take a look at the channels and whatnot. If you need to know how the channels work, I'm going to send you a video in Hangout General, okay? So watch that video and it's going to show you. uh, Spy looking? Spy looking amazing. If you're in a position already. Yeah, so click that link, Sashi, and you should be good to go. My trading got better once I joined Discord. It's worth it. Absolutely. Absolutely. It's nice when you have a group of people around you, you know what they say, right? Like your environment predicts you know? So like if I'm struggling with trading, I want to be around people that, kind of seem like they know what they're doing, right? So and that'll get to like that'll really help you out, right? It'll really help you out. So you get to see that, okay, like obviously we have a lot of educational content, right? So which is the main goal. Like we want to make sure that you're educated and you know exactly what you're trying to do, right? Trading alone is hard enough, so that if you're not getting the proper education, you're kind of struggling, right? You have the right ideas, right? There's a whole bunch of stocks you could be looking at, but we want to make sure you're focused on the right stocks. So that's why we have a lot of subscriptions, right? Whether it's the bots in discords, this and that, so it brings you the right ideas, right? And then obviously the amazing members, right? The right people. So you need to be in the right circle. If you're struggling, you need to be in the right circle, right? Let's go, Outlaw. Welcome. Welcome. Outlaw, are you in the chat? Let me know if you are. Are you in the chat? Yeah, yes, and thank you. Okay, perfect. So that's your invite. That link I just posted in the chat, that's your invite, Alor. So click on that invite and it's going to take you straight to Discord. It's going to say you don't have permission and you're missing a whole bunch of channels. What you have to do is follow the instructions in that channel and it's going to unlock all the channels, okay? So just follow the steps in there in the getting started channel. The second last video shows you how to connect. And then the very last video shows you how all the channels work. So welcome. And then once you're good to go, go to the education channel and there's a whole bunch of stuff for you to watch. I know you're just starting out, right? So you need to focus on the educational section. Alrighty. I feel like I need to create like a brand new channel in Discord. Because we have like 3 different education channels in Discord, right? But they're all equally as important. So yeah, you want to go through all of them for your education. Welcome, Outlaw. Welcome. From the this is the place to learn and be better, Troy. Absolutely. Game changers, yeah, right. Educate Hada. Educate Hada. Yeah, the videos on chart reading, swing plays, filings, they're game changers, right? Exactly, right? So again, we look at the things that you guys are struggling with, and then we want to do educational classes around that, right? So the last 3 classes we had, right? How to read charts, how to look for swing plays, right? And then Paul with the SEC filings, right? And how to play options. There's so much stuff, right? That you should know that again the videos around. So if you haven't seen those videos yet, those videos are for legend members, of course. So make sure you go watch those videos. Yeah, I'm busy at watching all the videos. Exactly, Shima, right? And then someone's gonna say, hey, Shima, how come you're winning? For students new to trading, TM, yeah, I think I need to do that. Yeah, I need to do that. Again, that link was only for Outlaw, by the way. So all of you guys that clicked on the link, it's not gonna work for you. That link is only gonna work for Outlaw because he's a member. You have to become a member before you click on that link. Na 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 na. Let's go, Jacob. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I'll do that. Because I think sometimes it might be confusing for a new person to go through education, psychology, stock terms, a Discord calls recap, group class request, right? So I'm gonna, yeah, new to trading would be a good channel to have, and then I can just take some of the videos from the other places, right, and post them in there. Yeah, I'll do that. Maybe over the weekend or something. Yeah, Netflix doesn't pay you money, Shiva. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. 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 Slowness. It looks like we CGC CCG is looking good still. The Omega looking good. No, again, if you're new to Discord, guys, just go through the educational section, right? Uh, there's some videos in the education channel, and then there's some videos in the Discord calls recap that are not in the education channel, right? So at the very least, you want to go through those 2 channels. At the very least. Uh, The membership link. Why? What happened? What happened? So yeah, double top at $1.45. Can we have a confession? A confession channel? No, that's the After Dark channel. That's where you do the confessions. Oh, you had your speakers up? Oh, yeah, the like the little intro thing. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. The virus. Yeah, make sure you sign up for the right level though. Yeah. Yeah, the intro music is always annoying to me too. I don't know why it's so loud, but yeah, so again, the legend level is to join Discord, and then the gold is for Discord and if you need some one-on-one time. ENVB is back to the bottom, guys. Marla, did you sell this thing yet? Right? It's the same resistance, right? So and now it's coming back to 260 again. I feel like the more we keep testing this bottom level, if we break below that level, that thing's gonna get intact. Intact. Na, 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 na. Grooving on the same vibe. Mullen is popping again, guys. You guys, Jacob, your 10 shares are they're happy. Look at that. Mullen is pushing back for that resistance. Unbelievable. Mullen has not been below the 200 EMA since it popped. Wow. Sheesh. Yeah, of the 200 Grim, TRNR of $1.50-ish. Unbelievable, Troy. Unbelievable. Time for revenge. uh, yeah, Mullen will eventually hit, $2 again. It's only a matter of time. But I think again, when you're holding a name that's gone from $15, $10, all the way to $2, and you're holding it overnight, right? You know, there's a whole bunch of people shorting that because it's the easiest short, right? Everybody's done the same thing. So at some point, it has to pop. So when you hold that overnight, you're asking for trouble. Why is the unusual volume in that? I mean, it's not crazy volume though. It's just a random pop. What's up with this one, Grimps? It's coming up 52-week lows. Just randomly popped on the scanner there. Random. Now it pops the on the other one too. BTOG. Interesting. Not amazing volume though, so yeah, we'll wait to enter on a retest. Yeah, exactly. Yep. Not enough volume there for me. Yesterday, LTRY lottery. It looks good. It looks good. What did you get in at? Like $1.30? Already sounds good, AK. Have a wonderful rest of the day. See you later. Yeah, no, that was a good entry yesterday on the sell-off. That looks good to me. 144. Okay. It looks good. Needs a bit more volume though. It looks like they have earnings today. So according to TradingView, they have earnings today. So that's a bit scary. I don't know if a company like this ever beats earnings. I'm just getting back. TK, sorry, it's virus's fault. No. BTOG. Uh, yeah, Outlaw. If you need the link to connect to Discord, it's in the Getting Started channel already. Like if you need help, if you're not able to do it, um, yeah. Welcome, Tank. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, welcome. Already, welcome. Uh, yeah, perfect. Spy, spy, spy. Hmm. Yeah, welcome, welcome. This is your invite, Tank, already. So click that invite and follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Cool. So again, if you're not sure how to connect to Discord, the instructions are all in the Getting Started channel. And then spend some time going through every single channel in Discord, please. Alrighty. Yeah, go through the educational section, please. And if you're interested in crypto, there's the cryptos, closer to the bottom. Again, Dan. Oh my goodness. Again, every week. It's all the heavy weights you're lifting, Dan. See, this is why I don't lift heavy weights. I only lift enough for these guns to show up. My goodness. Sheesh. Otherwise, I would start scaring people on stream. Unbelievable. Um, no, I'm kidding, Dan. Yeah. Hopefully it goes well. And then, Dan is addicted to cracking the spine. Yeah. $5 calls, Mighty Green? Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Spy with a bit of a dipski there. There goes ENVB, right? Yeah, if you're constantly testing the bottom of the range, we don't like it because it's only a matter of time before it breaks below. So ENVB just hit new lows of the day. On Fridays? Good, yeah. Sounds good. Yeah, so again, we mostly hang out in Stock General Legend for stonks. So if that's something you're interested in. But again, please make sure you go through every channel in Discord if you're new to Discord. So connect and then go through all the channels. So again, I sent you that link at the bottom, right, Tank? So click on the link and follow the steps. Yeah, there we go. uh, so I guess we're not going to get above 600. Not yet. Zcar. Zcar. Zcar is popping a little bit. I know he was spamming this one. 4% pop. Yeah, it looked good coming off the bottom. So Riley. Yeah, Riley is heavily shorted. So at some point, maybe it's going to run for you, Mighty Green. So okay. Riley. Interesting. Mm. Mhm. Mhm. Cosmos. Does Cosmos drop PR like every single day, and the stock still doesn't move? Still does not move. Rubbish. Yeah, that thing is just sitting at the 200 there, Grim. Just holding the line. Okay, good. Aldo, you're good to go. You're connected and good to go. So, good to go. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. So again, you said you're new to the market, right? So take your time and ask all the questions you have in stock general, ready? And then when you have time, go through the educational section. Um, educational section, scroll from top to bottom. You have content for days in there, and then there's a whole bunch of videos in the Discord calls recap channel. They're a bit more organized in there, right? Those are just videos and videos. So yeah, go through some of that already. So, and then as you go through, just hang out in stock general with your questions. 160. Yep, ENVB is dead, isn't it? Marl, I hope you're not in this still, please. Right? Again, your resistance was up there. See resistance, take monies. Right? Put a stop loss, please. Virus, are you taking any Nvidia gambles, YOLOs, anything? Puts, calls? No, 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 no. Alexa will be free for people with Amazon Prime. Amazon's new AI powered Alexa will be free for people with Amazon Prime. Interesting. Did they send you the Alexa too? Or do you have to buy that? It's a bit slower now, Mohammed, so we're just kind of watching. What happened? What's Paul's fault? It's all Paul's fault. Uh, for Friday? Okay. BTOG. Ooh. That thing is low key with some pops there. Yeah, the volume has gone from 100,000 to 600,000 actually. Not bad. Not bad. Mm. Yeah, no, that's a good bounce back for the S&P. So that 200-ish, pop back to the highs. Get above 600 as well. What should be the game plan for this one, Trazi? 160. Well, I mean the lowest we've been this last consolidation cycle is around $1.50. So that pivot is a 148. I would honestly consider putting a stop loss right below that, right? And look at that, it just dropped right to that 148. So yeah, I don't kind of don't like what it's doing unless it stays above that. If you're willing to give it a bit more room, the low of the day is $1.30. Alrighty, so it just depends what you want to do. So it's gonna have to find a way to stay above this range here, right? And it just bounced up 148, right? So again, that's why you don't put your stop loss at 148. You put the stop loss right below, right? If that's your bottom, it has to bounce up that level, right? You never just like when a stock has support at $1, you don't want to put your stop loss at $1, right? 99 cents. So that 148, righty. And if that isn't holding, then you're kind of looking for anywhere from 140 to 130. That's your next level there. So it depends your risk tolerance on this trade here, right? Just depends. And obviously, you don't like how it's creating lower highs and lower highs and lower highs. Lower highs and lower highs. Keep going, SPY. Keep going. Damn. Oh my days. Grim. Oof. That thing just like exploded like this in front of our eyes. Just like that. We just talked about this thing at 30 cents. Just because of unusual volume, and then boom skis. Now it's up 80%. Dang it. I know, Grim. I know. Dang. Oh my goodness. Just like that. BTOG. Sheesh. 80%. Do I need to redo it? I signed up on Discord email. Okay. Do I need to redo it? You shouldn't have to. Shouldn't have to. What do you mean though? What's your Discord name? I don't. Did you click on the link that I sent you in the chat? It doesn't say that you have. Right. So click on that link. Yeah. Click on the link and let me know when you're in Discord, and I'll walk you through. Let me know when you're in the Hot Trades Discord, and I'll walk you through. Okay. It needs to be the same. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, because I don't think you clicked on the link. So again, this is the link at the bottom of the chat, Tank. So click that link at the bottom of the chat, and then let me know when you can see the Hot Trades Discord. Damn, SPY with some interesting volatility. Now Riley looks like it's on the verge of breaking out again. Entered the wrong email. I currently have a Discord account already. Oh, that's fine then. That's fine. That part is fine. It's just when you go to connect, you have to connect with the same email that you're using for YouTube, the same Gmail email. Yeah, that's completely fine. If you have an account with a different email, that's not a problem. Yeah, but are you, do you see the Hot Trades Discord? Are you in there? Let me know. Do you see like the Getting Started channel and all and stuff like that? Damn, Spike came all the way back down again, Troy. Oof, all the way back down. Crazy, crazy. 142. Yeah, I mean, again, that's your, if you're willing to take the risk and hope that it stays above then it's heading down for lunch. Oh my goodness, Jacob. Yeah, yeah. But again, it is still holding that, that low of the day. So if it can stay above that, then it's hopeful. I don't think it's, completely done yet. Perfect. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, tomato. There goes Riley. Riley looking good. Slow and steady. Why does Mullen look good? See? See? Right? See? Mullen is a. Right? Mullen. Mullen bounced up to 200 and then came all the way back up to resistance. I mean, it obviously has resistance right here now, so that's a problem. But yeah, so $5, 510 to 520 is a problem. Michelle, did you see Mullen today? Oof, oh, it cooked, cooked, unbelievable. Trump is talking again. Oh my days. Yeah, Riley's cooking. Ooh, go Riley, go. I mean, it's not up like a crazy amount, right? It's 25%, so nothing crazy.
Tell me more. What do you mean?
Huh?
Tell me more. What do you mean?
Oh. Uh, uh, um, and okay, there you go, 27%. Dang virus. La, 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 la. Spy. Is anybody else holding Riley? Michelle, how's your AMD looking this morning? Did you get those AMD calls? Said illegal crossings plummeted by over 100%. What is it, like the Mullen chart plummeting 100%? Do, do, do. 100%. uh, There it goes. There it goes. 5:30. Um, that was a good break of $5 actually. The new account and redo it again with the QQ. Okay, you're good to go. Perfect. Wait, who is okay? Are you connected, or you still need help connecting? Who's Zupra? Virus, go look at the profile picture. Who is Zupra? Who is that? Oh my goodness, that's gonna become Virus's new best friend. Um, yeah, look at ENVB guys, dead skis, right? Dead, dead. And that TRNR, yeah, it's dipping straight to that bottom. Hang on, General. Hang on, General. Dang, Riley's just going and going and going. Dang. Ish. Just going and going. Uh, there we go. That's called Trump math. Yeah. Trump math. Azul. Uh, Kimbala, can you use the right channel, please? I'm just going to delete your messages. You know, like when I say wrong channel, like just go ask the question in the right channel, you know? Unbelievable. No, that's because he makes billions and billions and billions, you know? So, yeah. TRNR, yeah, look at that. It came all the way to that bottom and then popped, right? So, yeah, quick math. How? Uh, okay. Uh, okay. Palantir. Palantir looks nice. Very nice, Virus. Very nice. So those options were nice. Okay, let me see. Dashboard. $91.50. Okay. There you go. Send it, Virus. Send it. Nvidia earnings? No, I don't think so. Unless you guys really want to come back for Nvidia earnings, but I don't think so. I think we're just gonna be like in stock general or in the options cooking lab. Probably in the options cooking lab or something. Yeah, exactly, Virus. Yeah. Thank you. I agree, Masashi. I agree. I agree. Yes. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Tesh. I'm going to be watching Liverpool. So, watching Liverpool, hoping that Van Dijk scores, scores 2 goals and Mo Salah scores 3 goals, you know? uh, Van Dijk. You agree, Virus? Yeah, same. I'm going to do that. Let's do that. Do view. Save. Do. Mm. Okay. Perfect. All fixed. All fixed. Permissions. Yes. Okay. Not exactly, right, Sesh? Not a whole lot. Okay, at least, Van Dijk, right? 3 goals for him. Yeah, that's it. That's it, Sesh. Not asking for too much. Right, Shima? Not asking for too much. What time is it? Okay, let's see where we are in 3 minutes. Let's see where we are in 7 minutes, guys, and then we can hop off and go back to Discord. Let's see where we are. It's a bit slow now, anyways, isn't it? So looks like BTOG Grim is rebounding off 40 cents of the 200, which is actually quite nice. Regina, you made $219. Well done. Congrats. Good job. Congratulations. Congratulations. Riley with the pop and then Dipskis. That was a good push though. Yeah. That's a very nice daily goal, Regina. So 50 cents is still resistance here for BTOG though. Okay, perfect. There goes 50 cents again. That's a solid bounce, actually. A solid bounce. 50 cents. Damn, SPY's all over the place now. Wonder if they're gonna dip it into Nvidia earnings virus. I wonder. If they do, that might not be a horrible thing because then it can, it can actually cook after earnings. That's the dip you wanted, Grim. 40 cents. Elon is speaking now too. Oh, okay. Did you sell your Palantir virus? Your Palantir calls? No, that's okay, Grim. It's okay. It's a bit slow now, anyways. Did you sell? Are you keeping it for Nvidia earnings? Mm-mm-mm. 52. La la la. 54 pennies. Oof. Cooking. So same. You never know. Yeah. Mullen was the number one today, though. It was not number one. That's really weird that your 200 EMA is somewhere else. That's a bit sus. I don't know why that is there. I don't know why it's like that. SPY's getting slapped. Oof, look at that nastiness. Nastiness. Uh, uh, Damn, that thing is cooking. Oof. Just like that, Grim, a random stonk. BS. Yeah, I know it's hitting resistance now. BS. Risk bankruptcy without spending cuts. Okay. What are you doing, SPY? $94%. Oof, on that candle. 56 AJ. Yeah, it needs to close above that little resistance there first. That double tops. Announce a 4 trillion share offering. No, 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 no. Okay, there we go. Any last questions, guys, before we hop off and go back to Discord? Any last questions? Let me know. You, it will be funny though if Mullen announces an offering. What's for lunch? I don't know. I don't know. I'm just looking at who I have for one-on-ones. I don't know. Okay. No idea. Maybe some sourdough breads and an avocado, maybe. Tony. Signing off, and we'll be reading the education section. Perfect, Tang. Perfect. Good. You don't want to ENVB. What's your entry price? C hat. What's your entry price? What did you get in at? What did you get in at? Tony? The sourdough bread, ENVB. Yeah, but what did you get in at though? Like I said earlier, again, I was telling Marla to sell this thing at $3, right? 310, whatever, right? Now it's at $2.35. Like that's a big drop, right? We need to learn to get into positions and have stop losses. Yeah, you got in at $3.35, right? Again, this is costing you more than the price of membership, right? Yesterday, Grim was spamming this in Discord, like, hey, this is a swing play. I'm tempted to swing this. This was yesterday, right? At a dollar, right? At $1.14, right? And the conversation just continued into after hours. We just kept talking about it, $1.70, right? And then you bought this thing at $3.34. Like you let the thing go up 100% and then you bought it, right? And even if you were in Discord this morning, we were talking about it this morning in Discord. At what price, Grim? At this price right there. We were talking about it at this price, right? Hey, it has support right there. It has support right there, right? And then that thing cooked, right? Obviously, it exploded, right? All the way to $4. So again, sometimes just come join us at Discord and get into the play before it becomes the cooker, right? Exactly, Grim. So now you bought it at $3.34 and you still don't have a stop loss, right? So now you're asking about thoughts, right? Well, my thoughts are just put a stop loss somewhere, right? That cost you more than the price of membership. So become a member, click the link at the bottom of the chat, become a member, come join us in Discord. Stop missing out. But again, protect your money now. So you just have to look and say, okay, you know what? I'm down $100. I'm not willing to go to 150. Put a stop loss. I'm down $500. I can't let this thing go to. Or you could just look at it and say, you know what? I'm willing to stay in this thing as long as it stays above $2. Hopefully it pops again. I don't know. That's going to be something you have to decide though. Yep, exactly, Luna. Right? Investing in yourself is the best investment, right? Yep. Yep. Go to the basement and read the stuff there. Oh my goodness, Dash. So rude. So mean. Yeah. They can give money to others. Exactly, Varos. Exactly. Oh, ENVB looks the same, but not the other one. Nikolai? Huh. Uh, which it should. That's interesting. I don't know why it changes, from chart to chart. Absolutely, Tesh. Absolutely. Yeah, spies all over the place. All over the place. And it looks like, yeah, we failed at, that double top for BTOG. The double tops. BTOG. So you do have the 200 down there, though. So I wonder if it's going to come back to, closer to 40 cents and bounce again. Nikolai? Okay. Uh, there we go. 190. You think so? Then Moon? Sounds good. Sounds good. Hope you're right. I mean, 190 is quite a bit, lower compared to where it's sitting at. Like, that's all the way down there still. So, would I be holding a stock at $2.30, knowing that it's going to 190 before it bounces? What happens if it doesn't bounce? Right? No, thank you. No, thank you. Mm, 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 mm. No, thank you. Mm, 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 mm. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna leave it here for the day, though. Riley looks very nice, mighty green. So your calls should be printing again, right? You're happy? Should be happy. Should be happy. It made brand new highs on that last candle. So congratulations. Later, Michael. Yeah, the printing, good. Well done. Yeah, there it goes again. 560. Slow and steady. 560. Already? Okay, bye, Grim. Bye. Have a wonderful rest of the day, guys. We're going to be in Discord. Already be safe. And there goes Riley. Brand new highs. Yeah. Bye, everybody. Much love all. Bye, Jericho. Get some rest. There goes 570 almost. Later, Stash. See you for Liverpool. Ready? Much love all. Bye, Virus. See you later. See you for Nvidia. Violence. Jay. See you later, Azul. See you in the options cooking lab. Bye, Outlaw. For now, see you in Discord. Okay. Welcome to the community. Later, Regina. Ricardo. Bye for now. Devrin. Bye bye. Bye, guys. Bye all.